All right, we've got this Bellemain stainless steel can opener. If you are looking for your just standard, basic, run-of-the-mill can opener, you have to go elsewhere because this is a high-quality stainless steel can opener. It's got a nice grip here. It's even got these nice little grips here. It's a smooth vibe going here, so you're not going to get cut here, as well as on the can, which I'll show you in just a second. But as you can see, it's just a nice modern design. It looks nice. It feels nice. It's nice and light. And so basically, it's gonna last. It's gonna last for sure. So basically, you're gonna lock it in. It's gonna cut around like the edges. So you're gonna lock it in like so, and you're just gonna start twisting it. As you twist, it's gonna cut around the edges underneath. And so as it's cutting, and now we're gonna twist this back the other way to let it go. From here, you're basically just gonna lift it up off the top. So the amazing thing with this is typically most can openers, when you're done, sometimes the lid will just fall straight into the can. This doesn't do that. You twist it right off, and you can even twist it right off over the trash.
Also, it's not sharp.
Yeah, this isn't sharp as well. So straight up, you're all good. Highly recommend.